In the late 1980s, a partnership between a Japanese pharmaceutical company, Otsuka, and a Bristol-Myers Squibb company, a global biopharmaceutical company, led to the birth of a revolutionary drug, Abilify. This unique compound, also known as Aripiprazole, was first synthesized by Otsuka in 1988 as part of their commitment to creating innovative solutions to mental health issues. It wasn't until 2002 that the U.S. Food and Drug Administration gave their approval, marking the dawn of a new era in the treatment of mental health disorders. Now, you might be wondering, what makes Abilify so unique? What does it do that other drugs can't? The answer lies in its mechanism of action. Abilify works as a partial agonist at dopamine, D2, and serotonin 5-HT1A receptors, and as an antagonist at serotonin 5-HT2A receptor. But what does this mean in layman's terms? Simply put, it helps to balance out the levels of dopamine and serotonin in the brain, two chemicals that are crucial for mood regulation. When there's too much or too little of these chemicals, it can lead to a variety of mental health disorders, including schizophrenia, bipolar disorder, and major depressive disorder. By balancing these levels, Abilify can help to alleviate the symptoms associated with these conditions and improve overall mental health. There are many benefits to using Abilify. For many people, it helps to reduce hallucinations, improve concentration, and decrease nervousness. It can also help to prevent severe mood swings, offering a sense of stability that can be life-changing for those living with bipolar disorder. However, like all drugs, Abilify is not without its side effects. Some people may experience dizziness, lightheadedness, drowsiness, or even weight gain. It's also important to note that Abilify should not be used by individuals with a known hypersensitivity to aripiprazole or any of its components. When it comes to dosage, it's always best to start small and work your way up under the guidance of a healthcare professional. A typical starting dose might be as low as 2 to 5 milligrams per day, with a maximum dose of around 30 milligrams per day. Remember, everyone's body responds differently to medication, so what works for one person may not work for another. In summary, Abilify, or aripiprazole, is a powerful tool in the fight against mental health disorders. Developed through a partnership between Otsuka and Bristol-Myers Squibb, it works by balancing the levels of dopamine and serotonin in the brain. While it offers many benefits, it's important to be aware of potential side effects and to always use under the guidance of a healthcare professional. So whether you're living with schizophrenia, bipolar disorder, or major depressive disorder, Abilify could be the help you've been looking for.